Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Ega Setia Putra. You can call me Ega. I am majoring at Visual Communication Design at Telkom Institute of Technology Purwokerto. Today is going to make a sweet. How to make a cup of sweetie? To make a cup of sweetie, I need the material 1 tea bag, 2 sugar, 3 hot water, glass. Step 1. Fish. Prepare all material to make a cup of sweetie. Step 2. Next, put the tea bag into the glass. Step 3. After pour the boiled water into the cup and add 1 spoon of sugar. Step 4. Then stir the tea with spoon until thoroughly mixed. Step 5. Your tea gets based with cookies and some snack. Good.